Hey, what's up everyone? This is Cryptoguru here and today I'm going to teach you how to use DDEX exchange, which is an advanced decentralized exchange along with installing MetaMask. So before I start the tutorial, let me explain you about few basic stuff. What is a decentralized exchange anyway? A decentralized exchange is an exchange market that does not rely on any third-party service to hold customers' funds. Instead, trades occur directly between the users, which is peer-to-peer through an automated process. But traditional decentralized exchanges like Ether makes the users to transfer the funds to their exchange smart contract and then carry out the trades on top of blockchain, which resulted in slower order book update and charged gas for every process. And that's when the next level of decentralized exchanges comes in, which are built using DYdX protocol. OX is an open, permissionless protocol allowing for ERC-20 tokens to be traded on the Ethereum blockchain. In OX protocol, orders are transported off-chain, massively reducing the gas cost and eliminating the blockchain bloat. Reliance helps broadcast orders and facilitate a trade, and that's where DDEX comes in. Built on top of Ethereum smart contracts and the DYdX protocol, DDEX allows users to trade ERC-20 tokens from wallet to wallet, which is actually awesome, which means there is no possibility of theft, no uncertainty of deposit withdrawal lockup periods. DDEX also utilizes the Hydro protocol (HOT), which defines the rules for executing decentralized orders and provides the mechanism for order matching. Basically, Hydro is a network layer protocol for high-performance decentralized exchanges and marketplaces with built-in incentives for coordination. Okay, enough basics. Let's see how to use DDEX exchange. To use this exchange, all you need is an Ethereum wallet with Ethereum and ERC tokens that you want to trade. As you will be trading directly using your Ethereum wallet, there is no registration needed, but you need MetaMask to help the exchange to interact with your Ethereum wallet. You can also use DDE exchange directly from Ledger Nano hardware wallet, but I'm going to only show you how to trade using MetaMask, which is free to use. First step is to install MetaMask. All you have to do is just go to Chrome Web Store and search for MetaMask and just click Add to Chrome. Once the MetaMask is added, a small fox face will appear on top right corner of the Chrome. Now click on the small fox head here and accept the terms and conditions. Now create a password for your MetaMask wallet and click create. Now copy these 12 words and save it somewhere and click I have copied it somewhere safe. Now you are good to go. You can either import your existing Ethereum wallet or you can send the funds to the wallet in the MetaMask, which MetaMask automatically created for you. I'm going to import my wallet here by clicking the small icon and select the import account option. Just enter your private key and click import and your account will be imported immediately. Now you can see the ETH balance and the equivalent USD balance, and to add tokens now, you just have to click the tokens tab here and click add token button. If you're not sure about your token contract address, all you have to do is just go to etherscan.io and enter your address here and then just click go. You can see the list of tokens that I have in my account. All I have to do is click on my favorite token and then just copy the contract address here. And then click on the MetaMask and add token and then paste the address that you copied. It will automatically picks up the token symbol and then just click add. Bingo, the token is just added. Now you are all set to use DDEX exchange. So enter ddex.io, which directly takes you to the exchange website, and then just click trade here. The good thing about using MetaMask is DDEX automatically picks up your MetaMask account. You are good to go right now straight away. The next step is to wrap ETH. Wrapping ETH allows you to trade directly with altcoins. ETH does not adhere to ERC-20 standards, so it has to be wrapped to WETH first. WETH stays in your wallet and can be converted back and forth between ETH and WETH at any time. So let's wrap some ETH. I'm gonna wrap it for let's say 0.0111. MetaMask picks up this transaction Now enter the gas limit and gas price based on the info that you get from ETH gas station so that your cost will be very low. So the safest and lowest gas price now is 2 GWI and 21,000 gas. And then just click submit. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then your wrapped ETH will appear here. Now let's start trading. I'm going to trade WPR tokens, which is vPower tokens, and when you click it, your balance will immediately appear in this space. Now basically there are only two types, either you buy tokens or sell tokens. Let me show you how to buy and sell the WPR tokens. Let's place and sell order. All I have to do is click on the sell tab here and then enter the amount that I want to sell it for, let's say 0.00140, and then the amount of WPR that I want to sell, let's say 50, and then click sell vPower. Now you have to enable selling vPower here, and then it will ask the MetaMask to process the transaction. All you have to do is enter the gas limit, let's say 24,000, and then GWI price, let's say 2 GWI, and then click submit. Once you submit, after 5 to 10 minutes, your order will appear on the right side of the order book here. If somebody willing to sell the price that you quoted, your transaction will automatically go through and the equivalent ETH will appear in your account. Now, to buy the WPR tokens, all you have to do is click on the buy tab here, enter the price that you want to buy it for, let's say 130, and enter the number of tokens that you want to buy, let's say 1000, and then click buy vPower. The MetaMask window will appear again and all you have to do is just approve the transaction by entering the gas price and the gas limit. If you want to buy directly from the order book, all you have to do is just click on any order that you like. Let's say I want to buy this 50 tokens which is being sold for 0.0013199 price, and then enter the amount that you want to buy and then just click buy vPower. The MetaMask window will appear again and just approve the transaction. If you want to sell directly to the order book, just click the buy order here and it will directly picks up all the values and just click sell vPower, which is being sold for 0.00002417. When you click sell vPower, a MetaMask window will appear again and then just approve the transaction. That's it guys. This is how you use DDEX.io exchange. If you have any queries, feel free to comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to Crypto Guru channel. Thank you.